Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is starting off a little different. That's because I just had my eyebrows done. I just wanted to do a chit chat get right with me because I am in a super chatty mood. So put your phone or your laptop by your vanity. Let's do our makeup together and chat. So I did my eyebrows with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black, and then I put that like Maybelline brow fiber mascara thing on top. I've really been liking those two. I just didn't show it in the video because I just feel like it's repetitive and I haven't really like done my eyebrows different at all. To prime my eyelids today, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution eye primer. I got their advent calendar for like this Christmas. And I don't know if you could see the countdown, but there's 11 days till Christmas, and you're seeing this way after Christmas because I pre-filmed like super early. I think I have like half of January already pre-filmed. And this was one of the days, but I've been really liking this. The advent calendar is awesome. It's a mix of like full-size products and travel products. I've gotten highlighters, brushes, what else did I get? A primer, which I'm going to use in the video today because it's pretty interesting and weird looking. What else did I get? Brushes, highlighters, oh, lipsticks, a bunch of lipsticks. It's so cool. I've been loving it. I use the Modern Renaissance palette. I am trying to do Project Pan on this, so why not just do a tutorial using it because I want to pan it. So first, I'm going to go in with the shade right here, which is Raw Sienna, and this E25 brush from Sigma, and I'm just going to pop this in the crease. So I don't know if you guys follow me on Twitter or not, but if you do, you should. It's linked on the screen and down below. But I found out that someone was stealing my videos. So I'm not having like the best Vlogmas. Like Vlogmas is still going on and views are kind of down, subscribers are kind of down. Next up I'm going to pick up Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. Well, I found out YouTube changed their algorithm. And so I downloaded TubeBuddy and I already have vidIQ. If you don't know what either of those are, it's basically like this little tool to help you tag your videos on YouTube. It just helps you get better tags and like gives you suggestions. It's a really good handy tool for YouTubers, small YouTubers especially. And so I re-downloaded TubeBuddy and I went to redo all my tags in all my videos that I had recently uploaded. Next up on the same brush, I'm going to pick up Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, and a little bit of Warm Taupe. So I'm redoing my tags and I'm using TubeBuddy, and the way TubeBuddy is set up is it's like if you go to this like one button, it says Explore, a little like screen comes up, and at the top there's like a search bar. On the left side is like the tags to use, and then there's also a bunch of tags tabs at the top, not tags. And then on the right side there's normally like someone's video that's popular in that search. So I was redoing the tags on the Rebuild Your Makeup Bag tag, and I am searching tags and I type in Rebuild Your Makeup Bag. And as I'm searching it, my face pops up and I'm like, what the heck, this has to be a glitch. And the way like the video looks, it's like the video's here and then like a title. The title, and that's in like a bold kind of font. And then the bottom is the person who uploaded it in a smaller font. So I never saw the name before, so I was like, what the heck? So I right-clicked on it to open up a new tab. And I click on their username. And I see my face pretty much plastered all over this person's channel. So yeah, I see my face like all over this person's channel, and I was like, my heart just like sank to my stomach. Like I was so mad, so upset. I didn't know what to do or what to think because I never really heard of anyone like this happening to. Next up, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Concealer in 15 Fair. So I report the channel right away, and I click on all the videos and try to report them, and then I figured out how to do a copyright claim. So I filed 13 copyright claims at like midnight on a Friday night against this person. But yeah, so I filed copyright claims, and I posted a picture in a group I admin, or not admin, I mod it, and was like, hey guys, you want to report this channel for me? And everyone, like, so many people were like on it, reporting it right away, and it was insane because the group is a lot of people in England, and I was posting that here at like midnight almost, and it was just insane like how many people were like on it right away. It was just crazy to me. So everyone started reporting it, and someone was like, well, it might take like a week or so for YouTube to get the copyright claim. And so like the whole next day I was just like really bummed about it, because I work so hard on my videos and on my channel. And like what's even worse is like they took my very first video, and I worked pretty hard on that, considering I edited that whole thing on my phone and did a voiceover on my phone. And YouTube actually like took them all down within like 24 hours, which was absolutely amazing and so quick. So all of the videos got taken down, thank God. Next, I'm just going to take my ring finger and go on with the shade right here, which is for Mirror. So the videos were taken down, and you know, like their channel, I don't even know like what the status of their channel is, because I can't find it when I search it, so I don't know if it got deleted or what. So then yesterday, or Monday morning? Yesterday, which was Wednesday, today's a Thursday, I wake up to an email from this person, and they literally emailed me asking if I could retract all the copyright claims that I filed on them. And I literally saw that email and I just laughed, because there was no chance I was retracting all the copyright claims. That took me like an hour and a half to file, because you have to like copy and paste your video, their video, and like it's just, it takes forever. It's a process. Next, I'm going to take this dome brush and go in with all the colors I use in the crease, so raw sienna, burnt orange, and warm taupe. So yeah, they asked me to retract the copyright claims, and I was just like, yeah, over my dead body, buddy. And didn't say anything to them. I kind of just like laughed at it, because I wasn't going to waste my time. And yeah. But they're just like a terrible person for taking videos. Like, who does that? Like, who has the time? Like, you have way too much time on your hands if you're stealing someone's video. So yeah, that was that. I was like, I don't really need this right now with Vlogmas going on my main channel. Being behind on my vlog channel, like, ugh. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Anti-Shine Balm. This was what I got in the advent calendar, and this was what was really weird to me, and I can never open it because I'm a spaz, but it's literally just this like white stuff, and it feels like chapstick. So I'm really gonna put this on like my pore area, because that's just where I feel like this might work the best. And I'm just gonna go in with my Hard Candy Sheer Envy Primer Mist on top. For concealer today, I'm just gonna go with my Maybelline Fit Me. Just pop it underneath my eyes. So how did you guys like Kristen's Christmas? I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I really liked filming all the videos for you guys. This year, I wish I mentioned this in like one of the videos, but I didn't. I didn't want to do like all like classic, like your typical glitter on the eyes and a red lip. Like, that's just so overdone. I really wanted I really wanted all the looks to be different and like not out there, but just I wanted them to be different and not what everyone else does or what everyone else would think you would do for holiday. because I just feel like so many looks are repeated. I think I only had like 1 or 2 looks with like a red lip. I mean, yeah, I use a lot of shimmery eyeshadows, but I just wanted to do like something different for Vlogmas and not same old, you know? For foundation today, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 206 Buff Beige. Give me some inspiration, like videos that you guys want to see in the future. Like February, rest of January maybe. I don't know how many more videos I need for January. But like, let me know. There's one video, again, can't remember if that's going up before or after this, where I want to start like a series on my channel where I go through all my drawers and like kind of just break down my makeup collection and like really show you like what's in every single drawer. So I started with my foundation, concealer, and primer drawer. So this primer stuff, I feel like my pores look huge. Interesting. I really want to do something like that where I just break down all my makeup drawers. So let me know like what you want to see. Like, do you want me to do more of that? What else do I have planned? I have a nighttime skincare routine coming. I just have like a lot of videos coming. I can't even like think. I'm going to use my Shade and Light palette. I'm trying to project pan this guy, so I'm just going to use the lightest shade in this palette and just put this, like do the 3. Alright, I just realized like this is my first tutorial where like I've actually like sat down and talked to you guys, and I just realized like I never thanked you guys for 1,000 subscribers. Like, what? I never thought I would hit 1,000 subscribers ever in my life. Ever. And I did it. And it's insane. It's crazy. And I hate that I'm thanking you guys so late in a video. But, like, I just realized I never talked about it. And it's crazy. So thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I don't want to get, like, all sappy and, you know. But thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Next, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution bronzer that I actually got today in the advent calendar. Again, can't open it. And I'm just going to use this. Oh my god, what the heck? Come on. Okay, I finally got it open. It's really light, but I just want to use it to kind of add like a little bit of color to skin. It's probably super pigmented. Not really. It's not really doing much, but kind of just want it to like blend in with the contour, you know. I think I'm a little just too dark for this. If I was paler, like it would work good on my sister, but she doesn't use bronzer. She doesn't like do her makeup like I do. Next, I'm going to go in with the Milani Baked Blush in Dulce Pink. I'm trying to project pan this too. So you'll be seeing a lot of her in upcoming videos. Sorry that the lighting just changed. I think today's like not overcast, but it snowed last night. It's just so lovely to wake up to. And then for highlight, I'm just going to go in with this pink shade right here. Another thing I'm trying to project pan. I'm going to go with my wet L'Oreal sponge just to kind of like blend this all together. I'm just going to do my mascara off camera just to save some time. I'm using my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise and my Maybelline Great Lash, so I'll be back in a second. So my mascara is done. Next, I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution lipstick. There is no shade name, which is kind of a bummer, but it's just this really pretty like pinky nude color that I just dropped and got on my shirt. Why am I such a mess? I'll put this on my lips. I also forgot to mention that I got the Walmart beauty box, and I got the fall one like yesterday, and I'm not gonna unbox it on my channel just because by the time I get uploaded, like the winter one will be out. So do you guys want to see like the seasonal unboxings of those? Let me know. It's a pretty good box. I like it so far. Alright, so I'm gonna go film my hair tutorial now, and I will be back in a minute. And that is it for this chit chat get ready with me. I'm sorry if it's a long video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if I should do more chit chat get ready with me's in the future. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions on what you would like to see in the future, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!